Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a topic that's near and dear to my heart, getting our veterans the benefits they deserve. Let's dive in and get you the support you've earned. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's make sure you're eligible to file. You need to have served in the military active duty, National Guard, or reserves. You must have a medical condition linked to your service. If you're nodding along thinking, yep, that's me, then buckle up, my friend, because you're in the right place. Alright folks, picture this. You're building a case to present to the VA, and your evidence is your secret weapon. First up, we need your service records. Next, we need those medical records, military and civilian. And finally, the piece de resistance, the Nexus letter. If you're thinking, John, I lost my records years ago in a tragic karaoke accident, don't panic. You can request them from the National Archives or your local VA office. They're like the librarians of all things military, ready to help you track down those missing documents. Okay, my friends, we've got our evidence locked and loaded. Now let's talk about how to actually file this thing. Option number 1, the online route. Head over to va.gov and follow the prompts. Option number 2, enlist the help of a veteran service officer, or VSO for short. They help you file for free. And last but not least, option number 3, the old-fashioned way, in person or by mail. My advice? Go digital with the online application or team up with a VSO. They're your best bets for a smoother, faster process. Alright, you've filed your claim, you're practically a pro at this point. Now get ready for the C&P exam, which stands for Compensation and Pension Exam. This is where a VA doctor steps in to evaluate your condition and how it impacts your life. Honesty is the best policy. Don't downplay your symptoms. Be specific about how your condition affects your daily life. Bring your A game with medical records. It backs up your story. Remember, this exam is a crucial step in getting the benefits you deserve. You did it! You filed your claim, aced your C&P exam. You're basically a VA claim filing rock star. Now comes the hardest part, waiting. Check your claim status online at va.gov anytime you want. If you get approved, congrats. You've officially conquered the VA claim mountain. But if you get denied, don't despair, you still have options. You can file an appeal and present new evidence, or you can request a higher rating if you think you deserve more. The VA claim process can be a marathon, not a sprint. With persistence and a little bit of grit, you can get the benefits you've earned. And that's a wrap on our VA disability claim journey. Look, I know it's a lot of information, but remember, you don't have to go it alone. There are incredible resources out there, like veteran service officers, who are ready to be your own personal cheerleaders. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tips, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, take care and stay awesome.